Regarding the replacement of SH-T9100T-W10 safety lock, remove the left and right grip covers. Remove the bolts securing the lower cover of the fixed lower electronic watch. Then remove the lower cover of the electronic watch. Before disassembling the lower shell of the electronic watch, be sure to unplug the speaker cable first. Remove the bolts securing the electronic bracket. Then remove the electronic bracket. Remove the infrared sensor module. Remove the safety lock fixed bracket. Replace the safety switch module. Reinstall the security lock mounting bracket and infrared sensor module. Reinstall the electronic watch stand. Reinstall the speaker wire. Then install the lower shell of the lower electronic panel.